Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and I have just finished a project and a video about this project for you, but I just wanted to give you a couple of little pointers. If any of you follow Heat Transfer Source and happen to see some of my videos, you know that I am a rank beginner, but let me tell you what I learned with this project. This is our foil. Don't confuse it with our no-weed foil. This foil, you will use a transfer material that looks like this. It has a dull adhesive side, and then it has a shiny transfer paper side. Unlike our no-weed foil, which comes on a paper, you put it through the printer, watermarks down, you all know that. With our regular foil, it doesn't go through the printer. It goes through your Cricut or your cutter. So the foils that you can use with this are many. Now they're different from the foils that we use with our no-weed. So we know the difference and we'll send you the correct foils when you order them. But these foils, I learned in this project, you want to take care of your foils because if you, I don't know if you can see this, but if you bang up your foils or dent them, they're going to show on your project. And when I was transferring somebody's foils home, they got crumpled. So be careful with them and store them carefully too. The other thing is when you try a foil project first, it's a couple of steps. You print onto this transfer material. You don't print onto it. You run it through your plotter, cutter, silhouette, Cricut, and it cuts the image. And then you're going to lay that image on your substrate or your garment and put the foil on that, pull the foil off, and that's what the foil adheres to, is the adhesive that's left on your garment. You'll see that in the video. All right, so here's my little project. There's a couple of mistakes, but I'm going to point those out in the video. With your first project, please make it easy. I wish that I had started with a dark garment because I think the adhesive from the transfer paper would have shown up better than on white. You know, it was just fun, and we've done some videos on this. So get to it, have fun with it. Thank you.